fig milk, natural treatment, or... Hello, dear observers. Today we will talk about the simplest, but in terms of its properties, miracle in our garden, fig milk. Everyone loves fig fruit, but the white milk, latex, that comes out of its leaves is both a powerful medicine and, if you are not careful, a serious danger. Today we will reveal all the secrets. What is fig milk? This liquid is the plant's self-defense system. The enzyme Ficin in its composition has the property of breaking down proteins. It is this enzyme that turns fig milk into a natural acid. Main benefits: warts and papillomas. The most famous benefit of this milk: the enzyme Ficin dissolves the wart tissue from the inside. If you drip it once a day for 3 to 7 days, the wart will dry up and fall off without a trace. Fungus. Gribbuck. It is a strong antiseptic, so it helps to get rid of fungus between the toes. Insect bites. When applied to the site of a bee or other insect bite, it relieves pain and neutralizes the poison. Warning: the biggest danger. Friends, don't joke with fig milk. It contains furocoumarins. If you apply the milk to your skin and go out in the sun, phytophotodermatitis, a terrible blistering burn, will occur. Sunlight reacts with fig milk and deeply injures the skin. Therefore, do the procedure only in the evening. Instructions for use. Protection. Apply Vaseline around the wart so that healthy skin does not burn. Point method. Apply the milk only on the wart. Time. Wash off after 15 minutes. Caution. Be very careful not to get it in your eyes. Fig milk is nature's free medicine, but it should only be used with knowledge and caution. Have you tried this method? Share your experience in the comments. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself. Be healthy. See you in the next videos.